Good morning, students. Today we are going to discuss some of the problems on average value, RMS value, form factor and crest factor. And this is the given waveform. This waveform is called sawtooth waveform. The waveform is called sawtooth waveform shown in figure. First the figure, we have to find the slope of the curve. How we are going to find the slope of the curve? It is having a maximum value of 50 and it is having a time period of 4. So Im minus 0 by 4, 50 minus 0 by 4, that is 12.5. So equation of the instantaneous value of current is given by y is equal to mx. So I is equal to 12.5 into t. This is equation 1. First we have to find the average value. I average is equal to area of one cycle by period of one cycle. So area is integration between the limits 0 to 4 I dt by period of the cycle. Total time period is 4. So integration between the limits 0 to 4, I value is from equation 1 12.5 into 1. So 12.5 into t by 4 into dt. 12.5 by 4 means 3.125. It will come out of integration since it is a constant value, and integration from 0 to 4 t into dt. So 3.125 into integration t dt means t square by 2 between the limits 0 to 4. If you do this, 3.125 into 16 minus 0 by 2, so which is 25 amperes. So this is the average value for this figure, sawtooth waveform. Next, RMS value. IRMS is equal to square root of area of one cycle of I square by period of one cycle. That means the square root of 0 to 4 I square dt by t. So IRMS is equal to square root of integration from 0 to 4 square root of I square. I means here I square means 12.5 whole t whole square by 4. So 12.5 whole square by 4, I can write this as 12.5 by 2 whole square. That means 12.5 by 2 means 6.25 square. Square root cancel, it will come out of integration, that is 6.25. So integration between 0 to 4 t square dt. So 6.25 into square root of t cube by 3 between the limits 0 to 4. 6.25 into so applying the limits 4 cube minus 0 by 3. If we get, you will get this value as 28.868. This is IRMS value. Okay. So form factor. What is the definition for form factor? RMS value by average value. We know RMS value, that is 28.868. We know average value, that is 25. So therefore, from RMS value by average value, I got form factor as 1.1547. Crest factor, that is peak value by RMS value. Peak value is here is maximum. Peak means maximum 50. So 50 by RMS value, already know RMS value. This is 1.732. So this is the way to find the RMS value, average value, form factor and peak factor for a given waveform. Okay, this is one of the important question, right? Next, second, we will discuss for a half wave rectified alternating current, find the average value, RMS value, form factor and peak factor. Okay. The waveform for half wave rectified alternating current is shown here. This is the output of the half wave rectifier circuit. This is half wave rectified circuit and this is I square curve. Okay. So first we have to find the average value from figure 1. That means from this figure. Average value is equal to area of complete one cycle by base of 2 pi radians. So how to find the time period? This is the waveform starting here and ending here. So time period is pi. Complete base is 2 pi. So maximum value is Im. So now integration between the limits 0 to pi I d omega t by total base is 2 pi. Therefore, if 2 pi is a constant value, it will come out of integration. So integration between the limits 0 to pi Im sin omega t d omega t, that is Im is also a constant term, it will come out of integration. Im by 2 pi, integration sin omega t means minus cos omega t between the limits 0 to pi. So if you apply limits, cos pi is -1, cos 0 is 1, so you will get 2im by 2 pi. Therefore im by pi, this is the average value. So therefore average value is equal to pi value is 3.14, so this is the value 0.31831 im. Make it as equation 1. Next we have to find RMS value. So from figure 2, now we are going to take this figure. This is curve, I curve, current curve. This is current square, I square curve. So area of I square wave over one complete cycle by base of 2 pi radians, that is integration between the square root of 1 by 2 pi into integration 0 to pi I square d omega t. That is IRMS is equal to 1 by 2 pi into integration between the 2 pi. I means Im sin omega t square d omega t. So Im square is constant value. Im square by 2 pi integration between the limits 0 to pi sin square theta, sin square omega t. So we have a formula, cos 2 omega t is equal to 1 minus 2 sin square omega t. From this, sin square omega t is equal to sin square omega t is equal to 1 minus cos 2 omega t by 2. So from there, in place of sin square omega t, I got cos 1 minus cos 2 omega t by 2 d omega t. It will 2 also come out of integration. So this 2 will also come out of here. Therefore this 2 and so therefore Im square by 2 omega t, for example 1, if you apply integration for both, integration 1 d omega t is omega t by 2 minus integration cos 2 omega t means sin 2 omega t by 2. Already we have 2, 4. Apply limits. So this is Im square by 2 pi, pi by 2, 0. So IRMS is equal to this value. So now we got the expressions for I average and IRMS in terms of maximum current Im. And in the problem we mentioned that find the average RMS values when Im, the maximum current is 3 amperes. Now we are going to substitute in place of Im 3 amperes. So when Im is equal to 3 amperes, IRMS is equal to this value 0.5 into Im, that is 0.5 into 3, 1.5 amperes. I average value is 0.3181 into Im. So 0.318 into 3, then you got something, that value. Okay, whatever it is, you do the calculation and fill it here. Next, form factor IRMS by average. IRMS is this value, average is this value. Im will get cancelled. This is 1.571. And peak factor is peak value by RMS value, that is Im by 0.5 Im cancel. 1 by 0.5 means 2. So these two problems are very important. These are continuously asking in the question papers. So please concentrate on these two problems, and some more problems I have given material. Practice them. Okay, any doubts, please contact me. Thank you.